All right, Si, what are we doing right there?
Right now I'm getting where I can get my shells.
Uh-huh.
Well, they're easy to get to.
Because, and you're going to have to get to them pretty fast.
That's right, I'm going to have to get to them pretty fast. In case I don't kill them out, flat out dead.
Uh-huh.
If I have to make a cripple shot,
right.
I don't want to be fooling around with them.
Si, can you smell the fear of the ducks right now?
No. But you can see it in their eyes once they get in close. When we jump up and all these gun barrels start going toward, and then when it's early and the fire starts coming out the end of these barrels.
They got a little fear in their little beady black eyes.
Oh yeah.
Okay, boys, it's a beautiful morning.
A beautiful morning. That's exactly right.
It is a beautiful morning as I pan around. Uh-oh, that ain't a beautiful face right there, though.
That's right, but it's camoed.
You can hardly see him. I don't even know who he is.
See him in the dark.
I hear geese. I hear geese, boys. I don't know if you can see me. I'm camoed out, so you probably can't see me. All right, that's our decoy field right there, fellas. And watch this, cause Si's fixing to pull the string. See that? See them moving? And the duck will think that that's real duck. I'm ready. I am ready. All right. Just so you know, I'm going dark for a few minutes because it's fixing to be time. I'm going dark. We going dark, Si?
We're going dark. Right here behind us.
Good girl. That's the first one.
That's the first one. That's what we're supposed to do, boys, right there.
Who got that one?
That would be a gadwall.
I think it'd be JD.
We're having fun.
And the world turned to ducks. I mean, no, you can write this down. If you see fresh feathers, you fixing to have a shoot 'em up. Martin said, "Good grief! Look, we went back. We done that for 3 days. Limited out every day with mallard duck.
One feather equals
10 ducks. So if you see like 25,
the math of Si Robertson.
250. If you see 25, that's 10 times 250. 25, 250. And hey, that will add up to be correct.
Yeah, that's a Si Robertson. Hands back special.
I think that's a real head here.
That what it is? Yeah.
Is that what it is?
You want to thank me now for that one?
Good eye. Good eye.
JD going after a duck.
finally killed
I'm pretty sure I got that one, Si.
it.
I noticed that when I shot,
As long as we got
he
it.
went down.
That's right.
That's a
Long
good
as we got it.
indication.
That's a good indication. That's exactly right.
I'm pretty sure I got my first duck. Pretty sure I got my first duck. Yeah, he's going to get him there.
Oh yeah. All right.
Look at there.
That's three, boys.